What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to take you on a typical day of 75 hard. What I'm doing, basically my process on how to master a day in 75 hard. If you don't know what 75 hard is, it is a mental toughness program. It is the boot camp for the Live Hard program. There's 75 hard, and then there is 3 phases that follow it. Now, what 75 hard is a 75-day mental toughness challenge. Now, what 75 hard consists of is taking a progress pic daily, 2 workouts for at least 45 minutes each. 1 must be outdoors, no matter the conditions, no exceptions, no ifs, ands, or buts. Raining, snowing, sleeting, hailing, you're outside, you're doing some type of physical activity for 45 minutes at least. Drinking a gallon water a day, reading 10 pages of something in the personal development field or entrepreneurial, following some sort of diet, whether that be keto, vegan, calorie counting, bulking, cutting, whatever, pertains to you. But in that diet, you are not allowed to have any cheat meals. You're not allowed to have any alcohol. So 0 cheat meals, 0 alcohol, but more importantly, out of all this, 0 compromise. If you miss that progress picture, you start over from day 1. If you miss that outdoor workout because you couldn't get out there in the snow, you start over from day 1. If you did not drink your entire gallon of water, you start over from day 1. And there's no exceptions, no compromise. If you mess up, you start over from day 1. Now, this is my first round of it. I, knock on wood, have not messed up anything small in the first I think I'm on day 32 or 33. I'll have to figure out the exact day and get back to you on that. I thought I was going to screw up on something little like the picture or the water, but I've put systems in place in my life to make sure that I do not screw up, and basically reminders and alarms and checklists to make sure I do not screw up this boot camp, because it's something I really want to accomplish and really want to do. And every day I'm living with the intent of finishing it and becoming better for the next day. This has been pretty tough for me. I've basically had to almost tailor my life around getting 75 hard done. And that's the point. It's not supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be a walk in the park. It's supposed to be tough. It's supposed to be hard. Hard is in the freaking name. So I'm going to leave the link to the podcast down below. Obviously, this is just a small synopsis of what it is. I'm going to talk about the benefits to it a little bit later in the video, maybe on my outdoor workout like I've been doing in some of my last videos. If you haven't checked those out, go check those out now. But it's been awesome. The results have spoken for themselves, not in just my physical well-being, but definitely my mental well-being. And I've noticed that in my entrepreneurial journey, I've taken steps forward every day and I'm getting more shit done. I'm going to save some of that for later in the video, but it's been awesome and it's been surprising, and I'm going to explain that a little later. But right now, I'm about to go do my outdoor workout. I'm going to go grab the vlog camera and we're going to head outside. So I'm currently on day number 34. I know I told you I'd look it up when I had a chance, and as I started my walk, I looked it up. So this is day number 34, so we're about halfway done. That's pretty crazy. It's been a grind, but it's definitely reaped its benefits. And I think the hardest thing for me has been the not cheating on my diet, because I really enjoy like big meals. I enjoy drinking some beers, on the weekend, and it's football season right now, and not gonna lie, that's tough. You know what I mean? You're going over to your friend's house, your boy's house, they're all drinking, you want to have a couple drinks, kick back, watch the Patriots dominate. But yeah, it's been tough not to have 18 slices of pizzas and some beers, but I know what I'm doing is going to reap so much benefits, not just physically but mentally. So that's how you get through it. Exercising has been easy for me. I like to exercise. I like to be outdoors, so that was also easy for me. Getting all the water in was a lot tougher than I thought. And taking the progress picture, not tough, but that's caused me like the most anxiety, because I've literally like been in bed and been like, oh my god, like gotten scared. Did I take my progress picture? Did I take my progress picture? And the reading hasn't been super tough. It's just that I've come to the realization that I've been a freaking slacker with reading. And what I mean by that is I would start a book, read about halfway through, 3/4 through, and then just leave it and not like really ever finish it. I'll have it on my like nightstand, like, oh yeah, that's my current read, but I haven't finished it. Since I started this program, I'm already through 2 books, which is more than I've read in the last 6 months maybe. I've read 2 books in the last month than I have and that's more in the last 6 months. So if that's not proof right there that you're just getting more shit done, I don't know what is. I love how calm and quiet and serene it is right now. It's just so peaceful. There's no one out, no cars driving by. The sun's just peeking over. It's great. It's the first cold day. They're getting ready for winter. Winter is coming. R.I.P. Game of Thrones. I want to keep growing, keep up this momentum that I have, and I know that I'm gonna have to keep pushing myself because I know that I've seen the results. Like you know how long I wanted to start these caps, and I finally did it. I finally got my correct sample. I got my first bulk shipment. I'm legit ready to go live with them. I was having the excuse at first, man, I don't have time to do this, I don't have time to do that, but I think that's the point. It's making me more efficient, more effective. Like, I would tell you I don't have time to do this earlier, and now I've done it on top of 75 hard. Like, I've gotten that stuff done while basically tailoring my day around getting everything done on 75 hard that I need to get done. So if that doesn't like show you that there's results, nothing will, because like I've done more in this past month than I have in the past 6 months from a production standpoint. Have I done stuff? Yes. Have I grown, learned? Yes, but on a much smaller scale, not on a grand scale as this. I've done more in the past 30 days than I've done in the past 6 months, and that's just a fact. And it's shown me how much of a fucking lazy ass I've been. So let me get back to this run, catch up with you right after. So another benefit that I've really come across is being more direct. Again, because in the back of my mind I know I have so much to do. Like, I don't have time for all the BS. I don't have time to, you know, beat around the bush with anything or anyone. So especially in my job where, you know, it's pretty much sales, I just have to be direct with the client and say, you know, what they need, why they need it, and just get on with it. Either you're gonna, you know, see the value, I'm gonna sell you on the value, or not. But I don't have time to beat around the bush and make things, you know, sugarcoat things. That's the word I'm looking for, sugarcoat. And it's really helped me, I believe, not only in my business at work, but also my personal life. I'm almost home. I actually have a call with one of my brothers from the Arete group. If you don't know what the Arete group is, it's a application only group for business owners, anyone interested in personal development and wanting to improve their lives in all areas. That's run by Andy Frisella and Ed Milet. And you have to get approved to get in. And I was very fortunate enough to be considered and approved, and I'm in, and I have a call with one of my brothers. He wants to learn a little bit more about YouTube and just social in general. So we have a call scheduled at 9. It's probably like 8:15 right now. And when I get back, I'm just gonna shower and change up, do all that good stuff, and And when I get back, I'm just going to get ready for that and have the call with him. Hopefully I can teach him a thing or two. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'll leave a link to his channel in down below. Also check him out. His name is Tom, and you know, I'm more than willing to help, give back, and help in any way that I can. And again, if you're a beginner and you want help with anything, just let me know. Leave me a comment below, and as long as I'm able to help you, I'm more than happy to. So I'm gonna finish up this outdoor workout and then get you back to the house. Again, thank you. I know I respect your time, so I know you gotta go. Thank you so much, man. It was nice to meet you and nice to talk to you, and thank you for everything that you shared today. I'm gonna go through and watch your videos. I'm gonna link your channel.
I met this guy that he's got a business that he teaches dealers how to improve their sales with video or some shit like that.
Yep.
And that'd be cool.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, thanks for your time, Sean.
So Lily and I are just getting back home. I've done everything on the 75 hard list except for read, so I'm gonna do that right now. We just got back from a housewarming party, and I just wanna say that 75 hard really has been hard, but I was talking to someone about it tonight, and really I've come to the realization that it's so much easier when you have someone who's so supportive and really keeps you in check and make sure you're doing everything that you say you're gonna do, like Lily does for me. And I'm just super grateful, because even though it's been a grind still, obviously having her there makes me stick to my word, not forget anything. But I just want to show you real quick the checklist that I made, and I have alarms set on my phone too. If like I know I'm like, all right, I'm gonna be busy for most of the day, but I'm gonna set this alarm for like 10 o'clock at night just to make sure I hit everything on my lists. Let me show you the checklist I got right now. So this is my little checklist on the notepad. It's basically the gallon of water, the first workout, outdoor workout, my 10 pages, and the progress picture. And then down here to break down the water, I've simply put 16 glasses of 8 ounces. And basically every time I have a cup of water, I'll check one off, or every time I have a bottle, I'll check off 2, because it's 16 ounces until I get to, you know, a gallon. And I'll obviously look at the like number of ounces in a bottle. Like if I drink a bottle that's, you know, 33 ounces, I know that's 4 glasses of water, and I can check off 4, and so on, whatever the case may be on the size of the bottle. But really 75 hard again has had all these benefits for me, had made me so much more efficient, productive, and just using the time that I have not to waste. Like I said earlier, I've gotten so much more done in the last 30 days than I had in the past 6 months, and that's just the truth. And again, it's just been so easy with having someone who has your back like Lily does, because I don't think if she wasn't here, I probably would have messed up a day or two for sure, because there's been days where, you know, we've literally been laying in bed and she's like, did you read? Did you take your picture? Did you get your water in? Just the other day, actually, we were laying in bed and I had to drink 1 more cup of water to get to a gallon, and she's like, did you drink your water? And I was like, yeah, I was like, I didn't finish it, I have it next to me. She's like, drink it. And I drank it right then and there. So just make sure you have someone in your corner. That's my biggest piece of advice. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna just put on a movie, unwind, and get ready for the Patriots tomorrow, boys. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time. Signing off.